Welcome back to your daily market close. It's Tuesday, June 9th, 2026. And the mood on Wall Street today? Definitely mixed. The Dow barely held on to green territory, finishing up just 0.1% at 509.41. But the tech-heavy Nasdaq told a very different story. It dropped 1.15%, closing at 707.83. The S&P 500 split the difference, falling about 0.3% to 737.05. So a clear divergence between old economy names and growth stocks today. Let's dig into the Magnificent Seven, where most of the pain was concentrated. Apple had a rough session, folks. Shares tumbled 3.64% to close at 290.55. That's a significant one-day move for the world's largest company. Tesla wasn't far behind, dropping 3% to 396.68. Microsoft also took a hit, sliding 2.02% to 403.41. Amazon held up a bit better, dipping just 0.4% to 244.19. And the lone bright spot? Alphabet, which managed to eke out a small gain, up about 0.25% to 364.26. So really, mega cap tech was under broad pressure today. Now let's check on commodities, because it was a sea of red there too. Gold fell 1.63% to 390.78. Silver got hit even harder, dropping 4.17% to 59.01. And crude oil slid nearly 3%, with WTI settling at 131.30. This is especially notable given today's headline about escalating tensions between Iran and Israel. That news initially pushed oil higher at the open, but sellers clearly took control as the session wore on. Over in crypto, it was another down day. Bitcoin fell 2.4%, landing at 61,787. Ethereum dropped even more, losing 3.32% to settle at 1,643.45. Risk-off sentiment clearly weighed on digital assets alongside tech stocks today. Unfortunately, we don't have Forex data to share with you this evening, so we'll skip that and jump straight to the headlines. A couple of big stories to flag. OpenAI has confidentially filed for an IPO, following in the footsteps of rival Anthropic. That's according to TechCrunch. This could be one of the biggest public offerings in years if it moves forward. Meanwhile, Meta announced something called Workforce Academy. It's a new training program designed to prepare workers to build data centers. That signals just how aggressively big tech is investing in AI infrastructure right now. And as we mentioned, geopolitical tensions remain front and center. The Wall Street Journal is reporting on ongoing strikes between Iran and Israel, which rattled energy markets early in the session. So what should you be watching going forward? Keep an eye on that tech sell-off. If names like Apple and Tesla continue sliding, it could drag the broader market lower. Watch for any further developments in the Middle East and how oil reacts. And of course, the OpenAI IPO filing is a story that could reshape the AI investment landscape. That's your market close for June 9th. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you right back here tomorrow.